Like- So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is very spiritual day in our village. Since we are going to start today our 16 Prohari for 3 days, we have invited to many big Kirtan parties in our Western Odisha. Many means few Kirtan parties will come from our Bargod, so they are very popular in our Western Odisha. If I mention some names, then Sunita Sahu and some other names as well, which are very popular, but I don't exactly remember their names. So today you can see my appearance, so which appearance I am carrying today. Though I don't usually become that type of spiritual person, but today I have become that by wearing dhoti and this towel. So hope looking good, but I will try my best to be a good devotee of Lord Radha and Krishna. And there are lots of things. We have decorated our village very beautifully with lots of things, and we have invited many people as well. They will come, and this thing has not started yet. It will be started at 9 o'clock, and our village Kirtan party festival will start. After that, parties will come one after another, and we will not stop it even for a second, because this prohari means continuously. It continues until that ending time comes. So this is the thing, guys. I just want to show you other things as well, the decoration, but somewhere I'm feeling shy, because some people may think that this person is showing off his English or something. That's why just somewhere I'm feeling little bit shy, not nervous but shy. But then also I'm trying to show you right now that the decoration by the way of our village. So guys, you can see behind me, this is the appearance and crowd of the beginning of this kirtan. Now our village people only, you can see, they have come to worship Lord Radha and Krishna. Lots of people, lots of devotees have to come, but gradually, not at once, because this is the beginning day of this kirtan. That's why. But yeah, I will try to show you in the evening how people actually come and how crowded this area becomes. So till now, this thing is enough, I may say, because now I have to go for the kirtan as well. People are getting ready, and they are already ready, I think. So now let's go and end it here. After long, I'm just making this video. That's why you may get bored and you may not feel good as well. But yeah, that's the thing, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Let's end it. Continuously I try to speak. Continuously I try to speak here. Hope I spoke well, and which love you were giving me earlier. So hope that same love you will shower on me, on my channel, and on my English. Thank you so much for watching.